It all started at 2:30 in the morning, way before the sun. The air was cold, the streets were empty, and the excitement was already building. By 4 a.m., I was at McDominic, our usual meet-up spot. That's where I met up with Erwin, ready to roll. The moment the tires hit the road, it was on. We took the NLEX connector, making our way to the North Luzon Expressway. First stop, petrol station, a quick refuel for the bikes, and for us. Breakfast at Café France hit the spot. Hot coffee, warm bread, fuel for the soul. From there, we continued north, this time taking the Central Luzon Link Expressway, or CLEX. The road stretched endlessly, smooth and wide, slicing through farmlands and hills. Our second stop was something special, Ikigai Cafe, perched right above Pantabangan Lake. And man, what a view! The lake was calm, endless, sparkling under the morning sun. It made every kilometer worth it. We didn't just stop for coffee. We stopped to breathe, to take it all in. That's what rides like this are for. From the top of Parang Hills, Casiguran unfolds like a painting, raw, wild, and untouched. But this isn't just a view, it's where the ride begins. Off the paved roads and onto the dirt, every bump, every curve, is a heartbeat. The trail down from Parang Hills is narrow and rugged, carved by time, rain, and countless rides before mine. The tires kick up dust, the engine hums with freedom, and for a moment, it's just me, the wind, and the rhythm of the land. On my left, hills roll like waves. On my right, a glimpse of the ocean. The sun blazes above, drying the dirt into powder, turning every turn into a dance between balance and instinct. This ride isn't about speed, it's about feeling the land. Every rut, every ridge, every rise. And as I ride down this winding path, Parang Hills behind me and the coast ahead, I know I'll never forget this stretch of road. This isn't just a trail. It's a journey through the wild soul of Aurora. From 2:30 a.m. darkness to the bright calm of Pantabangan. This is the kind of journey that reminds you why we ride.